I think it's beautiful to look at, but really horrible to drive in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Larice. It's been a while since I posted a video, but in this video I'm going to chit chat a little while I drive to work. Hope you enjoy this beautiful winter day in the North Country. So I'm driving from Watertown, New York to Fort Drum, New York. So of course I didn't want to get out of bed, but duty calls. So it's been a rough winter, guys. I'm not even gonna pretend. It's such a rough winter. I basically go to work, go to church, go home, sleep. And I know that's the worst thing you can do in winter, but it's like nonstop snowing. I know like just about every year you'll say this is the worst, this is the worst. But seriously, we have like a winter storm every 2, 3 days. It's just been so crazy, and it's getting really difficult for me to even sometimes get out of bed. It's like the absence of the sun. I haven't seen the sun in like 3, 4 days, and that's just really bad. This is really like just not for me anymore. It's beautiful to look at, but really hard to drive in and to have this as like your everyday life for 4 or 5 months nonstop. So like the first snow storm we got was the day after Thanksgiving, and it's now February, and it just won't stop. It won't stop. And I don't know. I just feel like I'm at the end with this thing. Like the end of winter is too far away. I just feel like I can't do this anymore. Like I just need to be somewhere where it's sunny. The beginning of winter can be okay, but when you when you're like consistent cleaning up the snow and driving in it, and it's just no fun, honestly. And so I'm just here, trying to survive really. And I hate to live like that. I don't think you shouldn't survive life. You should really live life. And for the last few months, it's just trying to survive. Just, trying to survive. You look at the forecast and it says 3 inches of snow. You're going to get 3 inches of snow, and you wake up and it's 15 inches. Like, I wish I have that job where I could be so wrong and on my job and still have a job. But yeah, I don't know. I'm hanging in there. Pray for me. I kind of just so unsure of this whole winter life. Yeah, but not to stress or make this entire video be about my trying to survive winter, but it is what it is. I really just want to get on here and do something. It's like, I think 5 a.m. or like closer to 6 a.m. I've been up since 2 p.m. just twisting and turning in bed. No amount of melatonin, no amount of sleepy time tea is getting me. So I actually shoot this video yesterday to work, and now I was gonna edit it when I get home, but was not in the mood to do anything. And then I'm twisting and turning and twisting and turning for hours. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just get up and do this video, edit this video at least. I'll be doing something constructive with my time other than just feeling sorry for myself, which is the worst thing you want to do in a situation like this. So, seasonal depression is real. I know I was diagnosed with seasonal depression when I was about 17 or 18, and honestly just laugh it off because, when you're young, what are you going to do? You know, I was young and silly, and I was like, that's not even real. These people just love to make up all kind of things to put you on medication. So of course I never take the medication and I never follow up. I just like, yeah, not happening. But it is real. And if you are one of those people, don't just write it off. Don't just say, "Oh, it's just nothing. It's just a makeup thing." It's actually real. And if you are diagnosed with seasonal depression, you should really get the help you need. I know um for the last few years I tried to do vitamin D and try to just do things to keep me going. But this year it's like nothing, nothing you can do that, nothing actually I do that's helping me this year. So I'm just putting it out there that if you are diagnosed with seasonal depression, or if you just feel extremely down and out and you notice this only happen in the winter months, don't write it off as winter blues. Don't just say, "Oh, I just don't like winter." It's okay to not like something, but to be like this, it's really not good, not helping any of us. And so, you know, for me, it's like I get into bed, but I can't sleep, or I don't want to leave the house at all. And I love the outdoors. So for me to just leave work, rush right home, go to church, rush right home, it's giving up on all the things you like to do. And especially in this area where winter lasts for so long, that's too much of your life to give up, honestly. So I'm getting help, and I'll encourage you, if you're in this situation, to get the help you need. I mean, this too shall pass, right? It's it's almost the end of February, so let's hope better days are ahead sooner than later. And pray for me and I'll pray for you. Basically, what else can we do? It's truly beautiful, though, as long as you don't have to drive in it, I guess. Or, I don't know. I just wish there was a better way. Until later, take care of yourself.